skipping my sleep, I'm wide awake. Life is fake, it's make or break. Grab everyone and percolate. Separate the friends from foes, the wifey materials from desperate hoes. I'll keep all the good life is thrown. Stand on the bed to see how I grown. Watch me, bitches, do as I do, no wishes. I can do this, I've got my mind, there's nothing to it. I just gotta shine from shy to cocky. I dare you to try to stop me. Look how I'm doing, you shouldn't have dropped me not down for long when I spit the words off me. Yep. I see you, so you see me. Our past is dead like supposed to be. 6 feet below our feet, so say your things and let rest in peace. Yeah, I've got the mic, yeah, you got the floor. So why you so pissed off when being alone is all you were asking for? Thinking dark, I'm living light. I'm thinking right, I'm feeling right. Got my goal all in my sights. I think I might pull the trigger tonight. Hey, excuse me, bring yourself right to me. That look you shot went through me, so I might just let you use me. I don't need your cameras, I've got my eyes. I don't need your love, I've got my life. I don't need your faith, I've got my mind. I don't need your pity, your world is mine. My destiny has been explained, wish I could say all of the same for all of the rappers to play in the game, aiming for fame. What was your name? Money addict, I'll admit. Die hard addict, I dive and quit. Lazy, who you fucking with? My money couldn't buy flows this sick. Yes, I know they'll hate me, only until they love me. I'll be blowing up and you won't get enough of me. Friends I used to know were selling high school pictures of me. The bitch that turned me down is telling me how she'd love to fuck me. I'll pass.